Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, today we are going to deliberate on the new draft mediation bill, which is open for public comment from 5th November 2021. Now, mediation is age old as the dispute took the birth on this planet. Disputes have taken birth on this planet as soon as the person is born. If we see the movies which talks about 500 years back, 600 years back, there also we see that the dispute resolution, the best methodology is the negotiation between the two parties or more than two parties who are involved in dispute. So in ADR, when we talk of alternate dispute resolution, alternative to the judicial system, the court system, we talk of four things: negotiation, mediation, conciliation, and arbitration. Now, the negotiation is when there is no third party involved. Parties to the dispute negotiate between themselves and they come to a settlement. And most of the disputes are resolved in that manner. Mediation is when there is a third party involved. Most of the family disputes, we know that a senior member of the family becomes a mediator. In community disputes, one of the senior member, respected member of the community becomes a mediator and dispute is resolved. And conciliation is a concept, under Part 3, Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. There are 21 sections, section 61 to 81 deals with conciliation. Conciliator is like a mediator. If the parties do not agree to a settlement, conciliation fails. Similarly, mediation fails. So mediator and conciliator, they do not give any judgment. Arbitration is like a judge. We call it an arbitral tribunal. And they give a judgment on the basis of submissions made by the claimant and respondent. Now, mediation has been, by law, if we look at the structure of the Indian Contract Act 1872, there is a saying in Hindi, Miya Bibi Raji, to kya karega kaji? So, suppose A has to receive 1 crore from B, and A agrees to receive 5 lakhs from B. I am giving you an extreme example. The court cannot say that A had to receive 1 crore. Why A received only 5 lakhs? This is not acceptable. No, this is the will of the B and the will of A to settle the dispute at 5 lakhs instead of at 1 crore. Now, if we look at the historical background of arbitration, mediation, they are age old. The permanent court of arbitration at Hague is set up in 1899. If we look at the first World War was ended in Treaty of Versailles through a settlement. If we look at very old dispute between this Ram Temple and Babri Masjid in India, that also got settled through mediation. This dispute is very old, 1855, and we got it settled in 2019. So Supreme Court appointed a mediation panel. So one of the methods to become a global expert is we should study, we should be the front runner, because first a draft bill is made, then comments are invited. After comments are received, the draft bill is further revised. It is weighted by the Ministry of Law before it is introduced in the Parliament. Parliament, once it is introduced, it is called bill. And as we know that there are two houses, lower house and upper house. So normally, currently in all bill, there is a joint parliamentary committee which takes public views. So that takes time. And then both houses have to pass the bill. And then President of India signs the bill, and then it becomes an act. And after act is made, the rules are made or procedures are made. So the whole process may take anything between 5 to 6 months to 1 year. So there is a reasonable time to get mastery. Everybody is a reader on that subject. Now, today we are discussing the draft mediation bill 2021, which is on the website of Ministry of Law. We have a Department of Legal Affairs. There are 3 departments in the Ministry of Law, and very small bill, 67 clauses are there, and there are 7 schedules. And this bill, all clauses are divided into 4 parts. So we have a domestic mediation, we have a community mediation, and the most important is the United Nations. In Singapore, they held a conventions, United Nations Conventions on International Settlement Agreement. And that conventions resulted into, UNCITRAL, United Nations Conference on International Trade Law, to make a mediation bill, draft mediation bill. So looking to that process, the India has adopted UNCITRAL draft bill, and we have created, so mediation without a law, as on today also mediation can be done in many legislations, like in Companies Act, Section 442, in the Consumer Protection Act 2019, there is a Chapter 5 which deals with mediation, the whole process. The Family Courts Act, the Code of Civil Procedure, Section 89, the Legal Services Authority Act. So in this draft mediation bill, there are 7 schedules and there are 67 clauses. The first schedule contains, the United Nations Convention on International Settlement Agreement. We call it UNISA, UNISA. There are 16 articles in this convention. The part 2, the second schedule, deals with the matters which cannot be referred to mediation. So when there is a fraud, so this cannot be referred to mediation. The dispute pertaining to patent, copyright, environment. So there are about 16 matters in Schedule 2. And rest of the 5 schedules deals with the amendment in 5 legislations. So like, how under Indian, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, we have 12 schedules, and first 11 schedules deals with amendment in the 11 legislation. So Schedule 3 deals with amendment in the Contract Act, that because of mediation, the contract cannot be invalidated. The Schedule 4 deals with Arbitration and Conciliation Act, very important amendment. Now conciliation, part 3 is proposed to be deleted, section 61 to 81. And conciliation will be referred to as a mediation. And then we have a Schedule 5, Schedule 6, Commercial Court, Schedule 7, Legal Services Authority. And like this, we have 7 schedules in the mediation, draft mediation bill. Now, this is a wonderful opportunity for chartered accountant. There are 3 crore cases pending in different courts. We are 3 lakhs plus in numbers, chartered accountants. So that means each member, minimum 100 cases they should resolve to make our country litigation free. So this area is a very interesting area. This is a simple area. You know, what is required by a mediator is the mediator has to be independent, has to be fair, has to give opportunity to both sides, and principles, natural principles of justice need to be followed. But most important is mediator do not give any judgment. It is the parties who takes the decision. And the most advantageous benefit of mediation is anything submitted by both parties in the mediation process cannot be proved, cannot be submitted to the court as an evidence. So the essential ingredient of mediation is that both parties do the deliberations, they submit alternative proposals so that they can come to a conclusions. Mediator tries to assist both sides. What are the advantages of agreeing up to proposals made by the other side? And this bill encourages a pre-litigation mediation. It also brings into community mediation. You know, like Ram Mandir and Babri Masjid dispute is a community dispute. So the another feature of the bill is that mediation council is proposed to be established. Like, you know, there is already an amendment already done in the Arbitration and Conciliation Act about setting up Arbitration Council of India. And there will be a registration of Mediation Settlement Agreement, MSA, within 90 days of entering into mediation settlement agreement. This agreement will be registered at taluka level, district level, state level. So there will be a registration process. So this is one area, and this is an international subject. We can do a global practice. In all countries, there are, you know, we can mediation institutions, like we have arbitral institutions. So in mediation also we have a private mediation, online mediation, ad hoc mediation, institutional mediation. And currently in our country, 40 hours training is required to become a mediator, to get empaneled at the court annexed mediation centers. Because as we know, under section 89 of the Code of Civil Procedure, every court, before they give a judgment, every tribunal, before they give a judgment, they have to explore whether there is a possibility of settlement. They ask parties to the dispute, are you willing to settle? So we should do this course. We can find out from the Google which are the institutes, because like Indian Law Institute, Delhi Center, various places we can do this course. In fact, some of the universities have started 2-year course, master course on mediation. So depending on the fire in our belly, depending on enthusiasm, we can be a global mediator. One area of expertise which we can get through this subject, and it is a very simple, common sense subject. It does not require the specialization or extra knowledge helps us. Suppose if it is a construction industry related mediation, if we know the construction industry well, we will be able to guide both sides. And our knowledge, our skill in our blood is, we called it a professional skepticism, which we use in our auditing standards, is inquiring attitude. And our training, 3 years articleship, we go to the factory, we go to all aspects of business, board of directors, decision making, supply chain system, sales, governance. So we have a 360-degree views of a business, and we can be the best mediator in the world. I would request each viewer to look at this subject, look into the opportunities available, because disputes are going to be there till there is a life on this planet. We can never be dispute free because it is an inborn nature of a human being or an organization or an enterprise. So I would like viewers to have a look at this subject and earn more money, serve the society. Please do like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Do let me know the topic on which you would like to have the videos. Thank you. I enjoyed talking to each one of you.